This is going to be a video tutorial on how to make Mozilla Firefox your default web browser. It's very simple to do. I'm going to open up Firefox here. To make Firefox your default web browser, all you got to do is go up to the 3/Hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner, select that, go down to where it says Settings and select that. In the pane off to the left hand side, make sure that you're under the General tab, and then under Startup you can see over to the side here it says Make Default. All you got to do is click on that, and now Firefox is currently your default browser. That's all you got to do. Thanks for watching.